What's your take on real estate, Saurabh? Because last 1 year, if one sector from the stock market perspective has stood out, 60% return on the real estate index. I mean, it's phenomenal. Are we really seeing a huge steep turn in the cycle?
So couple of things here, right, which are interesting. So firstly, why do we never invest in real estate stocks? Because the barrier to entry is zero, right? So if you invest in a sector with barrier to entry zero, your return on capital of the companies inevitably goes towards cost of capital, and hence, as a shareholder, struggle to make money. We invest in a whole load of building material companies. So in large caps, say Asian Paints and Pidilite, and mid cap Astral Poly, in small cap Cera Sanitary Ware. That's where we see that's where we see return on capital well above cost of capital. And as you're saying, with the real estate boom, the building materials guys are also seeing a massive boom. But there's a couple of very interesting things happening here. First is the sort of surge we've had in real estate prices are reminiscent of 2014, 2015. And as many of us know, that was an era where the color of money in India was quite funny.
Right.
And therefore, the sort of the surges in the NCR region, Mumbai has been less of a boom town. Bangalore and NCR, we've seen rocket-propelled booms, are sort of raising concerns again as to where is this money coming from. Secondly, if you notice, cash in circulation as a percentage of GDP is now significantly above the levels it was at demon. The velocity of cash is low, and that's easy to see because all of us have crisp banknotes in our wallets. Right? So money is moving less, but the amount of cash in circulation is more. And that seems to suggest that people are once again using cash as a store of value rather than a medium of payment. The medium of payment is UPI, but the cash as a store of value is back. And again, we are getting news that the black component in real estate is becoming higher. So that's begging the question, what's happened here? And I'll give you an interesting anecdote here. So over the last couple of weeks, we've been getting reports from all over India that there are people going around the country masquerading as Marcellus employees, telling the public, if you give me black, I'll give you white. 100 rupees you give me in black, I'll give you 115 white. Now, whilst I would love to believe our brand is powerful, I don't think this is happening because of our brand. I think this is happening because of a desire to turn black into white. Where exactly this dynamic is coming from, I'm not 100% sure. Just to clarify, Marcellus cannot take black money. We are a SEBI-regulated entity. We never take cash. If anybody watching this program hears of people pretending to be Marcellus staff asking for cash, please report it to the authorities. This is illegal activity, and the law enforcement authorities will and should crack down upon this.